Good afternoon, students. So now we are going to study the new letter, that is N. Okay, what is this? This is capital N and this is small n. Okay, capital N and small n. So what we are going to do is that we are going to read first the letters which starts with the read the words which starts with the letter N. This is capital N and this is small n. So we have N for notebook. Okay, what is this? This is N for notebook. Then we have N for nut, nut. N for net, net. N for nurse, nurse. N for night, night. N for needle, needle. N for nose, nose. N for nest, nest. N for nine, nine. So what do we have over here? We have the words which starts with the letter N. The sound of N is no. The sound of N is no. So we have nut, net, nurse, night, needle, nose, nest, nine. So we have nut, net, nurse, night, needle, nose, nest and nine. Okay, now what we are going to do is that let's study some more words. N for newspaper, newspaper. N for nut, nut. N for napkin, napkin. Now what do we have over here? Trace the letter N and small n with the fingers. So we have standing line, slanting line and then a standing line going upwards. So we have standing line, then a slanting line and then a standing line. Okay, this is what? This is capital N. And how we will write small n? Slant down, a line which is going down and then do a curve and then take it down. Okay, so this is what? This is small n. What is this? This is a small n. So we have standing line, slanting line and a line going upwards. Then we have standing line which is going downwards and then like this. This is what? This is small n. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to write the letter N in the notebook. Why I am writing in the notebook? Because the reason I am writing in the notebook because I can't use a pen in the textbook. Okay, so how we are going to write capital N? It is going to be a standing line, then we have a slanting line and then we have a standing line. Okay, so it is going to be standing line, slanting line and then a standing line. Let's do it again. Standing line, slanting line and then a standing line. Let's do it again. Standing line, slanting line and then a standing line. So this is what? This is capital N. So we have, what I am going to do, I am going to put dots. So it is going to be standing line, slanting line and again standing line. What parents can do? Parents can use give the help of two dots. So one line goes like this, then join these two dots and then do a standing line. Okay, let me show you again. Okay, so do standing line, then join this and then like this. This is what? This is capital N. Okay, what is this? This is capital N. Let's do it again. Capital N. Let's do it again. Capital N. Let's do it again. Capital N. Then we have over here small n. What is this? Small n. So how a small n you will write? You have to start from the blue line. So just give these two dots, do like this and then do like this. This is what? This is small n. What is this? Small n. What is this? Small n. Small n. Small n. Small n. A small n. Small n. It's very simple. Take it down, do it up and then do it like this. It is a small n. small n, 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 and small n. Okay, so I want you to complete page number 84. One more thing you have to write over here, n, that is n for net, n, net, n for nose, n, nose, n for night, n, night, n for nine, n, nine, n for nest, n, nest, n for needle, n, needle. Also, let's see what do we have on page number 86. So we have over here, we have to circle the things whose names begins with the letter N. So we have N for newspaper. What is this? This is king. So does this starts with the letter N? No. So you are not going to circle this. Now what is this? N for nest. So we are going to circle this. Then what is this? Dog. Now dog starts with the letter D. So we are not going to circle this. And what is this? N for net. So circle this also. So N for newspaper, N for nest, and N for net. So we are going to circle these three pictures. Okay. Thank you. Please do the homework on page number 84 and 85, 86. Also do the reading and also write capital N and small n in your notebooks. Thank you.